Exercise 9.5 solution we will see today. In that question 1 is there, the homogeneous equation of degree 2 is given x square plus xy dy equals to x square plus y square dx, and so we have to find out general solution for this differential equation. So we can divide by x square each term, then 1 plus y by x dy by dx equals to 1 plus y square by x square. So y by x equals to v, we assume, then y equals to vx, and so dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. So here we have 1 plus v, y by x value we submit, then 1 plus v dy by dx value, v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square, and so v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v. So we can write x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square upon 1 plus v minus v. So we can write x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square minus 1 minus v square. So v square cancel, 1 minus v upon 1 plus v. So finally we separate the variable, then 1 plus v upon 1 minus v dv equals to dx upon x. So this also we can write 1 plus v upon v minus 1 and minus outside dv dx by x. So 1 plus v we can write v minus 1 plus 2 by v minus 1 dv dx by x. So v minus 1 is the divided by v minus 1 plus 2 by v minus 1 dv equals to integration dx by x. So 1 integration v 2 log v minus 1 and equals to log module x plus log c, and so minus v log v minus 1 square log cx. So we can submit the value of v minus y by x log y minus x minus 1 square equals to log cx. Second question we have dy by dx equals to x plus y upon x. So we separate the denominator, then dy by dx equals to 1 plus y upon x. So y upon x equals to v we take, then y equals to vx, and so we will have dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. So dy by dx value we submit, v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v. So from both the side we cancel, so x dv by dx equals to 1, that can be converted into dv equals to dx by x. Now we integrate both the side, then dv integration v and dx by x integration log x plus log c, and so v equals to log cx. So cx equals to e raised to v when we remove the log, and so cx equals to e raised to y by x is the general solution of given differential equation. Third question we have x minus y dy minus x plus y dx equals to 0. So x minus y dy by dx equals to x plus y. So we divide by x, then 1 minus y by x divided by dx equals to 1 plus y by x. So y by x equals to v, so y equals to vx. So dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx, and so we submit the value of y by x, then 1 minus v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v. So we will have v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v. So x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v upon 1 minus v minus v. So x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v minus v plus v square upon 1 minus v, and so we will have 1 minus v upon 1 plus v square dv equals to dx by x. So this we can write 1 upon 1 plus v square minus 1 by 2 into 2v by 1 plus y square dv dx by x. So by integrating both the side, 1 upon 1 plus v square integration we get tan inverse v, 2v upon 1 plus v square, it is f dash x upon fx format. So log 1 plus v square equals to log x plus c, and so v value we submit, then tan inverse y by x minus 1 by 2 log 1 plus y square by x square equals to log x plus c. Fourth question we have minus 2xy dy by dx, x square minus y square dx equals to 2xy dy. sorry here plus 2xy dy equals to 0 given. So we can write minus 2xy dy by dx equals to x square minus y square. And so we will have 2 minus 2 by y by x dy by dx equals to 1 minus y square by x square. Now as usual y by x equals to v we take, then y equals to vx and dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. So we will have question minus 2v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 minus v square. And so v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 minus v square by minus 2v. So plus v we take on the side, then it will be minus v. And so x dv by dx equals to 1 minus v square minus 2v minus v. So x dv by dx equals to 1 plus v square by minus 2v. So we can write minus 2v upon 1 plus v square dv integration dx by x. So 2v by 1 plus v square integration minus log 1 plus v square equals to log x plus c. So minus power will come and log remove, then 1 upon 1 plus v square equals to cx. So v value we submit, then x square upon x square plus y square equals to cx. And so final answer x equals to c into x square plus y square. Fifth question, we have x square divided by dx equals to x square minus 2y square plus xy. So we divide by x square whole question, then divide by dx equals to 1 minus 2y square by x square plus y by x. So y by x equals to v take, then y equals to vx. So divide by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. So we submit the value, then v plus x dv by dx equals to 1 minus 2v square plus v. So both the side we cancel, x dv by dx equals to 1 minus 2v square. So dv by 1 minus 2v square equals to dx by x. So left hand side a square minus x square formula is there, dv by, and so its integration 1 by 2a. So 1 by 2 ones are log a plus x means 1 plus root 2v, 1 minus root 2v, and v coefficient root 2 divide, and log x plus c. So here 1 by 2 root 2 log v value we submit y by x and LCM, then x plus root 2y upon x minus root 2y equals to log module x plus c. The sixth question, we have x dy minus y dx equals to under root x square plus y square dx. So x dy equals to y plus under root x square plus y square dx. So divide by x, then divide by dx equals to y plus under root x square plus y square by x. And so we divide by x, then y by x plus under root 1 plus y square by x square. Now divide y by x equals to v take, then y equals to vx, and divide by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. And so v plus x dv by dx equals to v plus under root 1 minus plus v square. So we cancel, dv by under root 1 plus v square equals to dx by x. So dv by a square plus x square under root, its formula is log v plus under root 1 plus v square equals to log x plus log c. So here multiply rule, so it becomes log cx, both the side log remove, then v plus 1 plus v square equals to cx. V value we submit y by x plus under root y square by x square, we take the LCM, so y square by plus x square by x equals to cx. So x LCM, y plus under root y square plus x square equals to cx square. Seventh question, we have x cos y by x plus y sin y by x y dx equals to y sin y by x minus x cos y by x x dy. So y and x multiply inside, then xy cos y by x plus y square sin y by x dx equals to xy sin y by x minus x square cos y by x dy. Now this is homogeneous equation in 2 degrees, so divide by x square, then y by x cos y by x plus y square by x square sin y by x, y by x sin y by x, and minus cos y by x, and dx we take other side, then dy by dx. Now y by x equals to v we assume, then y equals to vx equals to dy by, then we differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx value will be v plus x dv by dx. So we will have this question into the v variable, v cos v plus v square sin v equals to v sin v minus cos v, v plus x dv by dx. So we will have v plus x dv by dx is equals to v cos v plus v square sin v upon v sin v minus cos v. So we take other side, then v cos v plus v square sin v upon v sin v minus cos v minus v. So x dv by dx equals to v cos v plus v square sin v. We take the LCM, then v square sin v minus plus v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. So it is x dv by dx equals to 2v cos v upon v sin v minus cos v. So we can write v sin v minus cos v upon 2v cos v dv equals to dx by x. So we divide by 2v cos v, then 1 by 2 tan v minus 1 by 2v dv equals to dx by x. By integrating both the sides, 1 by 2 log sec v minus 1 by 2 log v equals to log x plus log c. So 1 by 2 we remove, then we can write 2 LCM we take, then here we can write log sec v upon v equals to log c x square. So sec v upon v equals to c square x square, and so sec y by x equals to y by x into c square x square. So we have final answer, sec y by x equals to cxy. 8th question, we have x dy by dx minus y plus x sin y by x equals to 0. And so dy by dx minus y by x plus sin y by x equals to 0. So y by x equals to v we take, then y equals to vx. So dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. And so v equal plus x dv by dx minus v plus sin v. So plus v minus v cancel. So x dv by dx equals to minus sin v. And so we separate the variable, then minus cosec v dv equals to dx by x. So cosec v integration minus log cosec v minus cot v, and dx by x integration log modulo x plus log c. So minus v is there, so we can write 1 upon cosec v minus cot v equals to cx by removing log. So cosec and cot we convert into sin by cos, then sin v upon 1 minus cos v equals to cx, and so sin y by x upon 1 minus cos y by x equals to cx. 9th question, we have y dx plus x log y by x dy minus 2x dy equals to 0. So we can write y dx equals to 2x minus x log y by x dy. So we divide by x, then y by x equals to 2 minus log y by x dy by dx. Now y by x equals to v, then y equals to vx. So dy by dx equals to v plus x dv by dx. So we submit the value, then v equals to 2 minus log v plus x dv by dx. So v plus x dv by dx equals to v by 2 minus log v. So we minus the v on other side, then x dv by dx equals to v minus 2v plus v log v upon 2 minus log v. So we will have question x dv by dx equals to v log v minus v upon 2 minus log v. So 2 minus log v upon v log v minus 1 dv equals to dx by x. So log v equals to t we assume, then 1 by v dv equals to dt. So our question 2 minus t upon t minus 1 dt equals to dx by x. So 2 minus t we want to write t minus 1 format, then minus we take out common, then t minus 1 upon t minus 1 dt upon dx upon x. So t minus 1 we separate the minus of 1 minus 1 upon t minus 1 dt equals to dx plus x. So we integrate then minus t and minus plus log t minus 1 equals to log x plus log c. So t value we submit log v, then minus log v plus log of log v minus 1 equals to log cx. So log of log v minus 1 equals to log v, we take another side, log v cx. So log v we remove, then log v minus 1 equals to vcx. So v value we submit y by x, then log y by x minus 1 equals to vc y by x into cx. So log y by x minus 1 equals to cy. So log y by x equals to 1 plus cy.